Just to inform Senator Karen, because she has mentioned Githaiga wa Chaai.
Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka definitely ngumo ya Githaiga wa Chaai riu ikinyite nginyagia kuria bunge ya Senate no before nguonie uria Senator Methu na Senator Nyamu makorwo magicokaniria miario ni undu wa Githaiga. Kenyans nao matinakorwo magitigwo na thutha hari gukenerera ngumo ino ya Githaiga iria itumite akorwo akimenyekana muno ni undu wa uheani wake wa Chaai.
Huyo ni Githaiga wa Chaai, nimesikia akiongelewa hivyo kwa Senate. That is very impressive. Imagine Githaiga wa Chaai anakuwa discussed by senators during the proceedings.
Ndu wa ngumo ino yake kiumanite na kugeria gucokaniriria mucii uyu wa Triza na Karagu. Githaiga rauga ni arenda cheo makiria kuria akoretwo akiuga ati ni arenda giti gia kuria Zimmerman ta MCA through kiama giki kirakorirwo gikirugurio kia Rigathi wa Gachagua, kaundu gatuma Nyamu na Methu makorwo magicokaniria ciugo kuria bunge ya Senate.
Would you like to be informed by Senator
Yes,
Methu?
Senator Methu, can you
Very well.
Just to inform Senator Karen, because she has mentioned Githaiga wa Chaai and has said that I must be knowing him. For sure, I know Githaiga wa Chaai, and I actually met him today at a place that we were launching a party, and he's a member of our party and he's running for a political position. So he's making the best out of the name that he has created in that arena of Chaai.
I hope you're informed.
Thank you, Senator
Karen.
Methu. I think everything that Senator Methu has told me, I already knew. I know the young man is actually vying for a seat in Zimmerman. We are not sure if he's a member. He could be shopping for a party.
No, he already came today.
But that might not be final. Anyway, Mr. Speaker.